Have you ever dreamed of earning money effortlessly? Imagine waking up to find your earnings growing while you sleep. In today's video, we'll share 5 incredible AI tools that can help you make $100 a day automatically. Let's dive in. First, let's define the challenge. Many are eager to earn extra income online, yet few know the tools available to automate this process. AI technologies can assist anyone with that goal. Now, let's get started with our first tool, ChatGPT. This AI enables you to generate quality content effortlessly. Whether you need blog posts or social media updates, ChatGPT can help. You can sell these services online, potentially earning $100 or more daily. Next up is Jasper AI. Jasper specializes in writing advertising copy and landing pages. By creating compelling content, you can boost your sales. This could lead to significant earnings with minimal effort. Moving on, we have WriteSonic. This tool provides AI-generated articles and marketing materials quickly. By outsourcing your writing tasks to WriteSonic, you can focus on growing your client base and increasing your income. Now, let's talk about another fantastic tool called Doodly. Doodly allows you to create engaging whiteboard animation videos. Companies pay well for this service. It's an easy avenue to generate automated income when effectively marketed. Finally, we have Canva. Canva simplifies designing visually appealing graphics. Creating and selling social media graphics can be very profitable. Utilize Canva to streamline your design process and maximize earnings. To summarize, the 5 tools include ChatGPT, Jasper AI, WriteSonic, Doodly, and Canva. Each offers automation that can lead to consistent earnings. They streamline processes and free up your time for other opportunities. So what's your next step? Start exploring these AI tools today. Choose one to implement and watch your earnings grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Start your journey to $100 a day now.